Have you ever tried to dream up something in your head, but every time you try to start, there's that voice in your head saying, "What if I fail?" That fear of failing is what keeps thousands of people from even taking the first step. But here's the thing, successful people don't run from fear. They face it head on. Do you know why most people never reach their dreams? It's not because they lack talent. It's not because they're unlucky. It's just one thing, fear of failing. That same fear that, every time you try to start, whispers, "Not now. You're not ready. Maybe another day." But here's the truth. That another day never comes. Because as long as you wait until you're not afraid, you'll never start. In this video, I want to tell you a real story. The story of someone who for years was scared just like you and me. But one night, he decided to start, even with the fear. And that decision changed his life forever. It was a rainy night. The sound of raindrops on the window was like a ticking clock, a reminder that time was passing and Daniel was still stuck. He was 30, staring at his laptop, open but blank. Every night he told himself, "I'll start tomorrow." And every morning a new excuse came up. "Now's not the right time. I'm not ready yet." One night, while digging through some old folders, he found a file called Dreams.txt. Inside, just one line, "I want to be a writer. I want my words to give people hope." The file was from 5 years ago. 5 years of silence, 5 years of fear, 5 years of asking what if. Daniel closed his laptop and looked in the mirror. A tired face stared back, eyes full of unspoken dreams. He whispered to himself, "What am I really afraid of? Failing or never trying?" That night, he didn't sleep. When the sun came up, he made a decision. Fear was still there, but it wasn't in charge anymore. He started small, one story, then another. Then he started a blog. At first, no one read his stuff, but he kept going. A month later, he got his first comment. "I really needed this today. Thank you for writing this." That tiny message lit a spark inside him. Daniel kept going, even when he was tired, even when he doubted himself, even when he was scared. One night, while writing something new, he got an email from a publisher. "We've read your work. We'd love to publish your book." Daniel froze. Then he laughed. Then he cried. The same man who had been scared to start was now a published author. 3 years later, his first book became a bestseller. In an interview, they asked him, "What's the secret to your success?" Daniel smiled and said, "My fear. I didn't run from it. I learned to dance with it. Fear never really goes away. But now, whenever I feel it, I know it's time to grow." The room went quiet. Daniel looked around and said, "If you're hearing this right now, and there's something you've been wanting to start for a long time, remember this: you don't have to be fearless to begin. You just have to start, even if you're scared." Now, in his office, walls covered with pictures of people who once inspired him, he starts every day with a smile, because he knows that rainy night when he finally decided to start, he didn't just write a story, he changed his life forever. The truth is, fear never completely goes away. But the people who succeed are the ones who act despite fear, not the ones who never feel it. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to take the first step. Start today, even if it's a tiny step, because that one small step can lead to the next. And before you know it, you're living the life you've always dreamed of. So, What are you waiting for? Start now. Your future self will thank you. Now it's your turn. Take one small step and write in the comments what you're going to do. Subscribe to our channel to take daily steps towards success and strengthen your mind so you're more ready than ever.